vegetable from the farm.
Okay.
And here we have sweet date cakes, and this is date labnadib.
This is hummus dip.
It's a kind of hummus. It has dates and date molasses.
Okay. And this
Okay.
is dates cake.
Date cakes from the farm. And here we have fresh honey. You can try with the Palestinian bread. And we have cheese fatah, mini cheese fatah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shruti must try. I'm not. She loved to try new things online.
You can pick and eat. Wait, I'll eat first, just to show you it's safe.
No, we completely trust on you.
You can just take
So
one.
they become like this, and they
Yeah.
automatically.
So
turn-
basically, this is the yellow dates. They also consume yellow dates sometimes. Yellow is a bit less sweeter and more chewy. जैसा गन्ना होता है ना, वैसे सा taste आता है. And then we leave it. Please do and come here also. The farm is buzzing. उस time पे तो we have so many things going.
वही मैं अपनी डॉटर को दिखा रही थी. मैंने कहा
हाँ.
कहती डेट्स अच्छा मम्मा पेट दुखता है. मैंने कहा हाँ, मैं तो
Desert safaris.
वही. अरे कभी अच्छा खाना नहीं खाया.